Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, looking like we've had a fair amount of interesting volatility over the past few days. Obviously yesterday we had that very nice move all the way up to around, what was this? Just over 30k, I mean basically pretty much bang on 30k, followed by a rather ridiculous dump, to be honest, back down to where we started at around 27k, and now today looking like again we are heading back to the upside. I'm not entirely sure what happened here, but I do think that there was quite a lot of some strangeness going on in the market, to say the least. I think there was something that caused a lot of people to sell off. Maybe all the bots saw a certain key phrase and set off a little cascade of liquidations, but you can see quite clearly here what happened with this very nice move to the upside, where, you know, basically we came back into the range here after this breakout. You can see a little bit of consolidation, came back down into the range after, you know, failing to back test this and continue. We came back down to retest some of these swing low areas here. If you can see this on the hourly time frame, came back down to back test, and then you can see here we started to break out, move to the upside on the hourly time frame here. But this huge 1 hour candle here is just an absolute dump fest, followed by, you know, a little bit of a continuation on the next hour. But then since then we've had a pretty decent pickup off that low, to be honest, haven't we? You can see we've come back up basically into this little, you know, area here. There's this key level that I've been talking about for literally months and months and months, which is essentially, you know, the bottom of this previous area or structure here. And you can see now that basically what's happened is we've come back up into that area, excuse me, and then you can see here we've come back up, back tested, and now looking like we are kind of coiling up, consolidating maybe for another push to the upside. But really some very strange volatile price action, to be honest, for Bitcoin over the past few days or so. Nice move followed by this really ridiculous sell-off dump event type volatility, and now looking like we are just, you know, getting a bit of a continuation to the upside now. In my opinion, this is probably going to be the likely scenario from what we're seeing here. On the daily time frame, you can see really we've just put in this very fat doji candle yesterday, and now looking like we're probably going to get a bit of continuation. So really things looking, you know, pretty good for Bitcoin, still in a very nice uptrend, to be honest. You can see these higher highs and higher lows still coming in, making our way up through the Fibonacci levels. And as I said before, I think I may have accidentally deleted that that position that I did talk about, but I did say in yesterday's video, if you go back and look, that I did have a long position ready on that 0.38 Fibonacci level, and I would be looking to target that next 0.50 Fibonacci level. And as you can see, looks like we came down and got filled on that pretty nice, and we would be sitting in a pretty decent amount of profit right now on that trade. So that is it for today really, guys. Not much else to say with Bitcoin right now, not doing too much, just waiting and seeing what happens as we continue towards the, you know, some higher price action levels here, in my opinion. So thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, all that good stuff. If you do want to support the channel, you can become a YouTube member as well. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.